Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway SC box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Artifacts box break number 26. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. So the box is NE200149397. That's NE200149397. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Now here we go, pack number 1. Got a nice hit here. It's a dual patch card of Drew Doughty. It is number 3 out of 9 for the Kings. Got an Autofax card of Tim Stapleton for the Jets. Tender tandem dual jerseys of Scott Hartnell and Claude Giroux for the Flyers. Get a rookie for the Red Wings of Damian Brunner. It is number 710 out of 999. Short print base, 994 to 999 for the Flyers of Ilya Bryzgalov. Got a rookie for the Canucks of Nicholas Jensen. Number 635 out of 999. Got a Team Canada card. It is number 890 of 999. Tyler Ennis. Card goes to the Sabres. Got a rookie redemption wild card. That will be randomized at the end between everybody. It's card number RED 242. Team Canada dual jersey card is Zach Boychuk, 22 out of 36. The card goes to the Hurricanes. And the last pack. Got short print base, 11 out of 99 for the Devils of Martin Brodeur. So we just got the one random to do. Give me 1 second to get it set up. So here we go, all 30 teams are in here. Randomize it 3 times, so everyone's on top gets the card. So good luck. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to the Avalanche. You get the wild card Rookie Redemption. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.